you have a new Beetlejuice movie for me?
No, but I have a new Mini 4 Pro video for you
I
today.
feel like people are gonna like that.
I know, right? So DJI launched the new Air 3S, and oh my god, it's an excellent drone. But today we're talking about the new update for the RC2 controller. It's a firmware update that affects not only the Air 3S compatibility, but also adds some new functionality to all the other drones, such as the Mini 4 Pro. So let's go ahead and check that out. The first change that we can see is actually just a visual change. They changed the letters H and D, which are for height and distance, and they added a new button, which we'll talk about right now. So previously, the fastest way to open tracking functions of the DJI Mini 4 Pro, or any other drone for that matter, was to actually draw a box around the object you wanted to track, and it would just automatically detect whether it's a person or a vehicle or a boat, etc. But now we have this new button here to the left, which is actually for activating the automatic tracking features. I don't know if you can tell, but I've been struggling to try and select one of those plus signs. And why is that? Because there are so many objects that it can track that it's nearly impossible to click on a specific one, especially if it's a moving subject and we're a little bit high up like this. You can see that when the car turns to the right, it automatically picks up a different car, and that can be an issue for a variety of reasons. For example, if you're trying to track yourself and you look away for a moment, next thing you know, the drone is 2 kilometers out or 2 miles out, just tracking somebody else, and that's an issue. So we have to pay attention every time we're flying the drone 100%, and if we can have a spotter, even better. Now let's go ahead and test the return to home function of the drone real quick. After every single update, it's a good practice to test if this feature is working right, because we depend on this feature to safely fly the drone back in the event we lose connection or the battery is too low. And if we can't trust this feature, then we're in trouble. So here it is coming back down. I have noticed that having one of those landing pads is a very big plus. It actually does help the drone to land exactly on the spot where it took off from. If you don't have one of those, the drone might actually land, but it might land a couple feet off where it actually took off from. So if your space is very limited, I recommend having one of these things. It's only like $15, and it's really high quality. Enough messing around, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about what we talked about, feel free to leave a comment. Also, if you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. We'll be posting more videos like this to the channel. And basically, we have a new button. That's the firmware update for the RC2 controller. But DJI is always on top of the game, so hopefully we get some new updates to fix the tiny little bitty issues that we found today. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.